Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be getting the final thing in the challenges for Springfest. So before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's just finish this off. So we are going to use an all-out attack and get the new pet. I have the mount, I have the hat, and I have the buddy, which I've not shown on my channel, because this should come out on Wednesday probably. No, today's Tuesday, so it would come out on Thursday. So this video will come out on Thursday, and I have not shown the buddy yet, because the video that would come out tomorrow but would be yesterday for you guys is me getting this mount, which is very cool. So this is the battle that we just got the pet. And let's go ahead and get in and see what it's like. Now that I think about this a little bit, I probably want to post this tomorrow, so it looks like I'm one of the first people to finish it. So we aren't going to put that on. But, So we need one more battle, actually, which is 100% fine. Okay, we aren't going to care about the quest that we just did, and not right now. Okay, so now we are going to get to the pet. So we'll use hot snow right here to make it go along faster. This one's less. And yeah. So we do 5,157. We are going to win this battle on 3 hits, which is good. Okay, so now Magmayhem's back in. This truckle will not do a lot of damage. It misses. So now we are going to do Volcanon. I keep almost getting these questions wrong because I'm ready to put in which number is greater, because that was a thing that I just had, but now I have to put in which number is less or smaller. So we took out that first truckle, and the second truckle misses, so we aren't going to lose. Let's just go ahead and finish it off. Okay, so we will get the pet this time. 5,181, and here we go. We are going to get it. Okay, so we'll open up the chest, and then there we go. We now have a Gatorain. Again, not sure how to pronounce that. But we also get 10 Easter eggs. I'm just going to go down here because I'm trying to collect stuff for... So there isn't any, but let's go ahead and go to Lamplight Town and look at Gatorain. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So let's go. We have a level 1 Gatorain. Let's put it right there and go ahead and look at it. Okay, so this looks very weird. Info. It's a water element. It evolves at level 23. It has 473 heart spells. All it has is Water Burst right now, but it will get better. Maybe we can see what the second one is going to look like in the pet book. Okay, so this is going to be longer than Gatorain. I thought it would be like standing on 2 legs or something, but it's going to look cool. It looks like it's going to have a dart, and we cannot see that one yet. So there are also 2 more things, which are just Ortiz. So, yeah, I guess I'll show you the buddy. This is what it looks like. Painted Egg Buddy. Painting eggs is a fun Springfest activity. However, they aren't normally meant to be hatched. So that is pretty much going to end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is a pretty cool Springfest, and bye.